Hi, it's Danielle. We have the chance to meet the crew on Kuwait Airways A330neo. Julia, what is some of the passenger feedback, their experience on board?
The feedback of the passengers are always positive. They really like the cabin arrangement. They really like the seats. They are very spacious. They have easy access. The modes of the seats are great. They really like the bed mode. And also the overhead bins, they have a lot of space, so they can fit a lot of baggage.
Julia, if you had one word to describe the A330neo, what would it be?
I would choose happiness, because when our passengers are leaving the aircraft, I always see smile and happiness on their faces.
Aliyah, tell us about some of the routes that this A330neo flies.
So A330neo goes to Kuala Lumpur and Bangkok in the Far East, and we go in the west, we go to JFK. The record was 14 hours 55 minutes from Kuwait to JFK, which is the longest in A330neo. So my one word should be hudu, which means the quietest, because it has that reduced noise footprint, and on long-haul flights, passengers will be so relaxed and they can rest well.
Mohammed, when you first came onto the A330neo, how did you feel?
I had the impression of more space of the aircraft, and it's modern. I like very well the design. If I had one word to say, it's amazing and it's modern.
Thanks, Mohammed. And if you'd like more information on the A330neo, visit airbus.com.